We are Dext Technology. In today's exhibition, we came here to showcase our product we have for science practicals. So just as the math set looks like, that's the same way we have the science set. So the science set is in for science practicals. So let me just walk you through the product that we have. So this is the science set 4.1. So actually the science set we have it from basic 4 to basic 6, and we also have the max science set. I'll walk you through when we get there. So this is basic 4. When you look at this one, it is all designed according to how the curriculum, the Ghanaian curriculum, is being designed. So when you look at the 4.1, we have simple pendulum, separation of mixtures. So it means that all the tools in here are used for science practicals in basic 4. Okay, so we thought of it that, okay, we realize that in schools they teach science without doing the practicals aspect of it. So the Dext science set is designed, this science set, to help students or to help schools implement science practicals in their daily lessons. Okay, so when you pick this 4.1 separation of mixtures, it is in their book, they learn it all the time, but then the practical aspect of it is not being done. So that is where you see a student building this, and this is, if you're a science person, you know what it is. It is called the retort stand, where you have your funnel, you have your J-glam. It is used in performing the activity called separation of mixtures. So if you teach your kid to how to build this, you are teaching your kid to be an innovative, a scientist. That is what Dext is all about. So yes, let me walk you through the other stuff that we have. We have 4.3. This is basic 4 third term. So in third term, they have what they learn in science, other topics that they learn in science. So we have building the dry cell, elastic and compression forces, simple electrical circuit, and you can see them all in this in this set as I've showcased to you. So we have a student who can build a dry cell with banku that we eat. You see, building a chamber, we have the cathode and the anodes that will help the student build a banku battery that can power an LED bulb and the rest. We have a material here which can help the student build an electrical circuit, and so on. So Dext is all about the practical aspect of what we learn in our daily classrooms. So the science, we are always doing the chew and pour, we are always doing the reading and writing, but as to the practical aspect of it, we are not doing it. That is why science set or Dext Technology is in to help. Okay, thank you very much.